Hello everyone, welcome to Python series, Python exercise practice solution starting from basics. So in this video I'm explaining how you can input an integer and compute the value of number 1, 2 numbers at the same time, and 3 numbers at the same time. So let's start it. At the first we need a variable a equals to int n input. Inside input message and input an integer, and the first number n1 inside a variable of n1 equals to int inside a massive double quotes mod s close close, and then here is mod a, that variable, the first one. So the second number n2 equals to int modulus s twice, again s twice, and here mod inside this one replaces a comma a, and n3 inside a variable of n3 is, I can do this one like this, control C and integer, control V, and putting one here, s1 and comma a, simply, and done. Yeah, okay, and printing this all, print, okay, n1 concat n2 concat n3, simply, control S. And by the way, the source code available in the description below and my GitHub account, and you can find all codes and learn, practice, and do practice more. So let's run this. Yeah, input an integer like 9, enter. 9 is means the first one, n plus this one twice, and the third time. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe my channel and comment below. Bye.